Welcome. If you want to set up screen lock in your Vernee Mix 2, at the first you have to go for the settings, then scroll down, and we have to move for the security, then click on the screen lock, and currently we set up swipe, so we can change it, for example, for the pattern. So choose the lock method that you want to use, then use this option. We require pattern to start device. After reboot, you'll have to input the pattern to unlock to start working with the smartphone. And right now just draw your pattern, click continue and draw it one more time, then tap confirm. And right now we can adjust notifications on the lock screen. We can don't show them at all, click down, and as you can see right now, when we lock the device and unlock, we have to input our new lock method. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.